Assalamu alaikum students. Hope so you all are fine. So today we are going to learn about alphabets. We are going to learn from the letter A till the letter J. Now, before starting, you should know there are 4 lines on your English copy. These 2 lines are known as grass lines. The letters that comes in 2 lines are known as grass letters. The letters that are touching this line, the first line, are known as sky letters. The letters which are touching the last line are known as root letters. They are under the soil, so they are known as root letters. Now let's get started. The first letter is the letter A. It is the letter A, as in ant. A as in ant. Now for A, you make a curve, then you go up, down, and around. This is the letter A. This is the letter A. See again, you make a curve, then you go up, down, and around. Right? The next letter is letter B. The letter B. It is not ba or b. This is the letter B. You will start from the first line. B is down, up, and around. See, I did not pick my pencil. B is down, up, and around. This is the letter B. Now look, the letter A is coming in 2 lines. So this is a grass letter. But the letter B is touching the skyline. So B is a sky letter. The next letter is letter K. This is the letter K. K from your throat. Put your finger on your throat and say the letter K. Right? Then the next letter is D. What comes after K? D. D as in doll. D as in dot. Now for D, you will make a curve, then go up, 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 touch the skyline, come down, 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 and around. This is the letter D. This is the letter D. Now, after D, we have the letter E. E. The letter E. E as in egg. E as in elephant. You go steep up. You will start from the third line. Remember it. Go steep up and then make a curve. This is very easy, isn't it? You go steep up and make a curve. This is the letter E. This is the letter E. The next letter is the letter F. The letter F. It is not letter F or F. This is the letter F, as in fish, F as in fan. Now look at this. You will start from the third line, go up, 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 make a small balloon, come straight down, touch the root line, go up, 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 and make a round. This is the letter F. If this is difficult, you can also make it like this. Make a round, come straight down, lift up, and across. See, this is very easy. You go around, come straight down, lift up, and across. This is the letter F. This is the letter F. After letter F, the next letter is G. The next letter is G. For G, you will make curve, then go up, down, and around. See again, you make curve, go up, down, and around. Do not pick your pencil while writing. Never ever pick your pencil before the completion of the letter. The next letter is the letter H. The letter H. H as in house. H as in hut. Start from the skyline, come down, up and around. This is the letter H. This is the letter H, right? After H, we have the letter I. The letter I. The letter I. I as in ice cream. I as in ice. You start from the grass line, come down and around. This is very easy. Look, come down and around. Lift up and put a dot. Now we have the example of grass, sky, and root letter. This is the grass letter. This is coming in two lines. This is a sky letter. It is touching the skyline. This is a root letter. It is touching the root line, right? Now we are coming upon to the last letter, that is the letter J. The letter J. This is how we write J. Start from the grass line, come till the root line and around. This is the letter J. This is the letter J. Now it's a quick revision time. Now you people will tell me which letter am I writing. Can you tell me which letter is this? This is the letter D. Very nice. This is the letter D. Now D and B are brothers and sisters. Look, they are brothers and sisters. She is the sister and he is the brother. One has a belly, one has a back. Right? This is letter D and letter B. Now tell me, what is this? This is the letter H. This is the letter H. Very nice. See you in the next video.